In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create FTP accounts in Hostgator Cpanel. Whether you're managing your own website or helping out with someone else's, knowing how to set up FTP accounts can be incredibly useful. We're going to break it down into simple steps so you can follow along with ease. Let's dive in. First, you'll need to head over to the Hostgator website. This is where all the magic happens, so go ahead and open up your browser and enter the URL. Once the page loads, look for the Sign In button. It's usually positioned in the top right corner of the web page. Give that a click and you'll be prompted to log into your account. Enter your credentials and then you'll find yourself at the Hostgator homepage, a dashboard filled with all the tools you need for managing your sites. Next, once you're on the homepage, look for an option labeled Website. It might seem straightforward, but this section is key to accessing the heart of your website settings. Click on Website and then continue onward by clicking on Advanced. This part of the page is where you'll find more detailed controls. Now that you're in the Advanced section, locate the Manage button. You'll want to click on this next as it will provide you the access to control FTP settings more specifically. Once you're there, look for FTP Access. This option will lead you to where you can manage or create FTP accounts. After clicking FTP Access, you'll be taken to a screen where you'll need to click on Manage again. You're doing great so far. This is all just the build up to creating your new FTP account. Now here comes the exciting bit. In this window, you'll see an option that says Create FTP Account. Click on it. This is where you'll enter specific details for your FTP account. Typically, you'll be asked to fill in fields like username and password. Make sure to choose a strong password to keep your account secure. You may also need to specify quotas for the account depending on your needs. Once you've filled in all the necessary details, take a moment to review and then hit the Create button. And just like that, you've now created an FTP account in Hostgator's cPanel. Remember, this account will allow you or others you grant access to upload, download and manage files on your server, so handle your credentials with care. By following these instructions, you're not only managing your website more effectively, but also paving the way for easier file management moving forward. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy hosting.